Alright fellas, it's Ultimate Drifter back with another video. Now, today is my human car sounds. Now, as you can see today, we're going to be doing something that has returned to Forza quite recently. I'm so glad it's back. Mitsubishi. Now this specific model, this is the Mitsubishi Evo 8MR FQ320 I believe. It's got a 2 litre turbocharged 4G36 inline 4 cylinder. Just give you a little taste of what that's like. But first, here's a problem wondering how my model kit's getting on. Well, my Skyline's obviously down, you've seen that, I think. Just in case, here's the Skyline. Not bad, eh? Not bad for a first attempt. I think this is probably my weakest car that I've done, I think. The others get better. Right, here's the second car I've done. Paul Walker's Toyota Supra. Yeah! Not bad, and even had to build that 3 litre 2JZ from scratch as well. Yeah. What about this? Now you've probably seen this many times before. The 2004 Subaru WRX STI. Yeah. No bad, eh? But anyway, next I'm gonna be doing the car sound of this Evo, and then next I'm gonna be giving off a lot of shout out. So let's first of all get to Edinburgh Castle. Here's the sound of a 2 litre turbocharged 4G36. Come on, power! Hold up. Never mind. Definitely never mind. Oh dear. Today's not going my way. Come on. Alright. Where's the best angle? It doesn't look that bad, this Evo, doesn't it? I think that looks the best. Right. Now here's the sound of a 2 litre turbocharged 4G36. There we go. Now, last shout out. And I ain't really sure how well this is gonna go, but if I can fix my torch. If I wouldn't mind saying torch, it's just because, but my head torch, just for when I'm doing my markets. Oh, that now. That was it. So shout out goes to someone who goes to my school. See if I can do it on it. No, because it's all-wheel drive. They can't do bothers with all-wheel drive, man. So shout out goes to someone who goes to my school. Not bad for him, but and she's looking for a boyfriend, so post in the comments down below on, well, if you think you'd go with it. I mean, I haven't got a picture or anything just because I ain't that weird. I mean, I ain't weird at all. You getting me? So, the shout out goes to Neve. But some vast majority you know who that is. If you didn't then shout out just goes to Neve Sybil then. Shout out to you. Okay. And yeah, these are all the Mitsubishis that we've got in the game. So we've got the Galant VR4, the Evo 6, the 3000 GTO, Paul Walker's Eclipse, RIP to the man, and of course my Evo 8, which we just took a look at, the Evo 10, and the Evo 9. No bad. Yeah. Can't wait for the next batch of Mitsubishis to come in. I've heard there's going to be more, so I don't know. But if they've got the power to bring back Mitsubishi, they've got the power to bring back Toyota. I'm telling you that right now. So Forza, if you're listening, please bring back Toyota and Lexus, please. If you've got the power to bring back Mitsubishi, to tell them to come back into the Forza world, you've got the power to tell to say to Toyota, just come back into the game. It's not like it without them. I'm not sure if anyone from Playground's even listening now. I'm not even sure if anyone from Playground actually watches these videos. But I don't know. They may, I don't know. But stay tuned for the next video, fellas. That's going to be it for Series 1 of Human Car Sounds. Next series, well, And we're gonna go with Bugatti. There's only one car in Bugatti that I can do, and that is of course the Veyron Super Sport. And then after that we're going to be moving on to some Germans. Now Germans obviously being like Merc, BMW, Audi, so stay tuned for all of them. But as of now, it's all my Drifter signing out. See you next time. Peace out.